Happy 4th of July, Brew Crew. In the United States, it's Independence Day. And I feel a little underdressed. Much better. So today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make the perfect summer beer cocktail. So what's up, Brew Crew? If it's your first time here, I'm the Brew Captain, and this is Porter. I do challenges, how-tos, and reviews. And today, I'm gonna be showing you how to do the perfect summer beer cocktail. So first things first, you're gonna need to get yourself some kind of container. Now this right here is about a 2-gallon container, and I have the spigot on it, which is perfect if you're gonna be making drinks. Then you need to get your favorite cheap beer. I've chosen Coors Light. Get some ice and your favorite frozen juice mixture. I have strawberry daiquiri and limeade. So go ahead and take off your canister. And it's pretty easy. We're just gonna pour these in. Now, I'm using 6 at the moment. I might add a little extra. That's good. I think I'm gonna add 1 or 2 more. Just for good measure. All right, gonna open up your frozen canister. This has been sitting out for a little bit in the sun here, so it might not be so frozen anymore. I like the strawberry daiquiri. It's just nice and refreshing. And the secret ingredient to really kick this thing off, some cheap vodka. You don't need to do a ton. This is just a little 375. All right. Mix her up. Now, one of these frozen juice things is supposed to make about 2 quarts. 2 quarts is about 6 beers. So, all right. And then the ice. Well, that works too. I'm gonna toss on the top. Set her up here. And now I'm gonna enjoy a nice cold Brew Captain summer beer cocktail. I'm gonna toss one of these right here. That's good. Happy 4th of July. Be safe, drink responsibly, and don't celebrate your 4th with a 5th. For more challenges, how-tos, and reviews, make sure you hit that subscribe button and go ahead and share this with one of your friends. But for now, it's the Brew Captain, signing off.